Now, I'm not saying this is accurate, folks. I'm just saying this is something I'm doing. All right, now I got the meter stuck into a ball of dirt that's in a bag. Ball of dirt in a bag. See the probes? See the meter. So it's sitting in my lap right now. This is the Morning Gardener. I'm trying to get readings on what I'm doing this year. I want to know what my soil is doing. It's hard to get through the places with the pandemic going on and try to get soil tested. Okay, this is a four-way analyzer. And let's go back down to pH. The switch on the side. And it says the soil is acidic. The wider one here, the wider one at the bottom, that's the pH, because it's hard to see. And look what it's reading. It keeps saying that the soil is acidic. 7 up here would be neutral. It's nowhere near that. Moisture, while we at it, just for the hell of it. Moisture, it says that the moisture is low. Of course it is. I mean, it's not really wet soil. See the soil ball there? And look how black it is. And this is clay soil, folks. And the problem I had with clay soil, after adding so much of this, what we call it, biomass into the soil, which is weeds and grass clippings, my soil is now black. It's not brown like it used to be. It's black. It's crumbly. And look at the insects in it. I didn't see them in there. I got to get this back outside. But it's got all kind of insects in it. I'm looking at them. That's the largest one there. And he's coming out because it's getting warmer. The soil is full of life. It's just that some of my... Let me put it back down on pH. See? My soil is acidic, which means that a lot of my nutrients are locked up. And that's going to pose a problem when I'm trying to grow food. Now, some plants like acidic soil, but even for corn, that's really acidic. Corn was a lot higher than that, from what I read, and this is, I could grow blueberries in this soil without even touching it. It's acidic. So the right idea for me this year to use is get some lime on this soil. All right, later. This is the Morning Gardener.